Why is it that all of our favorite things, red wine, olive oil, coffee, seem to create the worst stains? I'm Katie Holdifer, and this is Spotless. In this series, I'm going to show you 2 ways to get rid of even the worst stains. First, we'll start with a simple hack using stuff that you probably already have around your house. And then we're going to step up the stain fighting power, and I'll show you a more involved remedy that will get out even stubborn stains. If you're like me, coffee is an essential part of your daily routine. On the way to work, before a workout, on a lazy Sunday morning, basically all the time. And if you're a devoted coffee drinker, at some point, you're also a coffee spiller. And as you probably already know, it can be a really tough stain to get out. So what can you do? There's a couple things you want to keep in mind. First of all, blot, don't rub, or you could end up setting the stain into the fabric. And second of all, act fast, because otherwise the stain will bond with the fibers. But don't stress. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Bring in my scarf. Oof, look at that stain. Doesn't look good. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my club soda, spritz it. And I'm going to take towel and blot. So it may be hard to tell at this point whether the stain is fully removed, but as you can see, a lot of coffee has come up on the towel. I'm pretty confident once we put this in the washing machine that the stain is going to be gone. Let's try. Scarf out of the washing machine, and it looks so good. As you can see, the stain is gone. Let's back up a second. This time the cleaning hack worked, but if you have a really set-in stain, you may need to take it up a notch. Try this. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by placing my stained fabric over a bowl. Now I'm gonna grab my tea kettle and start pouring boiling water from about a foot above, and you wanna work from the outside edge in towards the center of the stain. And look, can you guys see the coffee is already starting to come off of this fabric? Now just be really careful when you're lifting it up because the fabric will be super hot. As you guys can see, all of the coffee is coming off of the scarf because it's all in the water in the bowl. Now be careful, it's hot, and you just want to wring it out. And let's take a look. Looks good. I think at this point, if I put it in the washing machine, the stain's gonna be gone. This just came out of the wash, and as you can see, stain is completely gone. And just like that, it's good as new.